Hello, here we are in Milan for YEF 2013. YEF, you may ask, what is YEF?
L'idée est de mettre ensemble 5 jeunes, 4 jeunes, 5 jeunes de chaque pays européen et puis qu'ils montrent les films qu'ils ont faits et puis qu'ils construisent des films ensemble.
It's a Young European Film Forum. It took place the first time in Berlin in 2005. And each 2 years in a capital, in a Europe capital. And this is the time for Milan.
In total, there are about 50 participants, which are divided in 6 groups. We're doing documentary, social advertisement, and our group is doing digital storytelling. Our group is fantastic and consists of people of 6 different nationalities. Ik ben Lotte en ik kom uit Nederland.
Bonjour, je suis Wardi et j'habite en France. Ik ben Philip uit Nederland.
Hola, soy Estela y vengo de España.
Hi, I'm Kadisha and I'm from Wales.
Olá, eu sou o Arthur e sou de Portugal.
Ja sam Blaž in prihajam iz Slovenije.
Ciao, sono Pasquale e vengo dall'Italia.
With this one, totally going behind.
But I think with this might be a good idea that he wakes up in the street, like we do that dolly shot, and maybe we'll just have footage of him walking, and then that will be the point where we cut to the next character.
There are a lot of people.
Yeah, and I think it would be interesting to go like different ways, so we can also,
make a little group.
speak to different people. So let's go.
Voilà, on est plusieurs nationalités, on se rencontre, on parle, on voit les projets des uns des autres, on découvre un peu comment eux ils s'apprivoisent l'audiovisuel, parce que en fonction des nationalités on voit quand même les différents styles.
I'm really amazed how much you've been working on this, and I'm sure that each of you had to lose something. What are the things that you really wanted to have in this?
To shoot in the neighborhood because it's amazing. There are a lot of lines with building, window. It's very graphic.
I agree with you because I like the area very much. I'm going to live next to here just because I like the thing.
In Milan, you have a little garden. It's called Giardini di Via Morgani. We were so inspired by this place. We wanted to make a movie. Because we are foreigners, we're tourists, and we don't know these people. But we want to know.
Have you got a special memory about the park? And that's it.
Yeah. I see everyone. Okay. I don't think it's a problem, but yeah.
Can I smoke?
A lui?
Questo qua l'abbiamo creato noi. Tutti quelli che giocano hanno lavorato e hanno messo dei soldi. Abbiamo chiesto al comune questo pezzo.
Stando a casa a far niente, ho pensato di venire qui, passare la giornata insieme ai miei coetanei, diciamo, visto che sono pensionato, sono tutti pensionati, la maggior parte.
Sono altri campi in giro, però non hanno il successo che ha questo. Faccio parte del direttivo di questo campo, di questa associazione, che è un po' per i pensionati, vedi, aiuto io. Ogni tanto facciamo una festicciola per poter riunire, per poter sviluppare, per far conoscere.
Ogni anno fanno i tornei di bocce. Qua almeno c'è un po' di tutto. Giovani, non giovani, anziani, meno anziani.
Les échanges, ils sont aussi beaucoup avec les images. Donc il faut aussi créer une espèce d'identité européenne avec l'image, même si chacun doit garder ses spécificités. Et ça, je pense que la jeune génération en est consciente, qu'elle saura le faire, certainement peut-être mieux que nous.
No, I think the scooter will be really good for that, and we just have to see how easy it will be to shoot off the back of it.
Has to face it.
It's skeptical.
It's impossible, I think.
It depends. When
Only
you
if
film
you're really good on the bike and have a really good balance on the bike, because it's.
Well, you've got a really small camera, haven't you? That little.
Yeah.
That could be a really nice opening shot of all the bikes kind of chasing the camera. That'd be nice.
In questa città si mischiano differenti contesti sia sociali che culturali. Trovano anche il modo di incontrarsi in alcuni luoghi e centri della città, come possono essere il Duomo che simboleggia il cuore fisico.
Prima venivo solo a correre, poi vedevo gente che giocava a calcio, mi sono unito e devo dire che conosco tanta gente.
Ci siamo incontrati qui praticamente, no? Lui viene sempre a giocare qua, a volte mettono anche la rete da pallavolo.
Sì, tutta la domenica.
Ho iniziato, visto che mio nonno abita qua vicino, quando ero piccolino, nel senso 12 anni, venivo qua così a caso. E poi pian piano mi sono sempre appassionato di più e ho continuato questo sport.
Una sera stavo guardando Titanic e non so perché, ma mi è venuta voglia di skateare. Mi è sempre intrigato il movimento del corpo nell'usare una tavola.
maybe what you do on one day is you record
Have
stories.
you got a special memory?
And maybe you go back and then you go back that you think about the storyboard.
Now I don't think quite. So I want to know, where do you want to go with those questions? It's important to have a real talk and not coming with those questions. People must know that we are there. And that's a reason, and for what he said, make him comfortable. It's really important not to forget that we are not journalists. That's a documentary.
Did you bring back the storyboard?
Yes, of course.
We have already the slider.
Yes.
Donc on est en train de partir sur des bases genre le racisme, la misogynie, l'homophobie. On est en train de réfléchir aux sujets qu'on va pouvoir exploiter et on verra avec les jours qui viennent qu'est-ce que ça va donner.
Hello, Bella Sherry. How are you? I noticed that you noticed me. What are you doing here? You are so beautiful. I like your eyes. And a good girl. A very good girl. I think there is some feeling between us. You know, you can give me your phone number if you want. No? Ah, sorry. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She crying on fire. You don't like when I sing? I have a beautiful voice, no? يمكن كتهضر العربية وقيلة. والله ونجي عند البك نعطيلو 5 الجمل عليك انتينا. اي والله العزيزة ديالي. Oh please my baby. Let's do it. Just give me your phone number. Allez. You are a very good girl. Sorry, it's my hand, it's not me. You know, please, my baby. What? I'm just talking with you. Talk with me. I'm here.
They're going to be really quick, so.
I wasn't there. That was good in the morning, no?
Yeah, that is
Only tripod. It's not versatile, you know. You can't do wide shots, you can't close in. I still think.
Yeah, but sometimes
I've talked with now here in the round that we lost focus on working as a group. This project is not about improving our workflow with editing, cutting, doing something else. It's about working together, you know, and that's what we've lost.
Okay, but wait a second. You can't edit with 5 people around the laptop.
No.
I think there are 2 people.
I edit on my own.
We choose 2 people who are the...
Sorry, is not the moment.
Salut coup de pouce. Alors là moi je suis en train d'éditer, vous me manquez beaucoup. J'ai failli craquer mais je craque pas, on tient bon, c'est difficile le YEF, il y a des personnalités difficiles mais on va y arriver, j'y crois beaucoup. Ciao.
Direct j'ai compris que c'était soit on partait vers le conflit, soit il fallait que quelqu'un finisse par se mettre, comme tu dis, tempéré. Il y a une différence entre celui qui a un caractère fort, qui part vraiment dans la mauvaise direction, qui s'y prend mal et qui fait couler votre film, et puis cette personne qui veut prendre le film sur ses épaules, qui est vraiment une maniaque du contrôle, et que cette personne veut bien faire. Donc moi, partant du principe que cette personne veut vraiment bien faire, n'y a pas de souci. Donc je suis restée aux alentours, j'ai tempéré, j'ai proposé mes idées, qu'elles soient prises ou qu'elles ne soient pas prises. Et au final, cette personne, en voyant que tout était cool, a fini par s'affaiser. Donc voilà, objectif atteint.
This is my frock, I think.
Good.
Yeah. And the minimum is there.
Yeah, I think
But-
we should go for the minimum.
Yeah.
Definitely. We're going to ask people a few questions. It's like a game. They have to estimate how long it will take to reach certain goals that we're talking about.
Una trentina d'anni.
La maggior parte si può avere, non so, 50 anni.
Maybe between 5 and 10 years.
I don't know, I've seen quite a lot of houses running on solar power.
Ci sono un sacco di miei amici che abitano in piccole città che hanno già i pannelli solari. Spero anche questo in una cinquantina d'anni, spero che sia possibile.
Oh, dat duurt vrij snel. Ik studeer zelf geschiedenisdocent. En je ziet al op heel veel scholen al dat ze al werken met iPad. Je hebt al iPad-scholen.
In Mailand ist ein Krankenhaus, der das Beste Italiens und einer der besten Europa ist. Meine Frau war krank in einem Krebs, sie ist operiert worden und es ist also alles gut gegangen.
C'est un peu le mot du IF de cette année, c'était vraiment un challenge de pouvoir concilier un petit peu tous les niveaux qu'il y avait, que ce soit dans la langue ou alors dans les niveaux techniques ou de l'approche qu'on avait, et aussi au niveau de la timidité, quoi. C'était vraiment un challenge pour certains qui ont eu du mal à s'impliquer et à trouver leur place.
Je me suis beaucoup plus sentie à l'aise avec, je sais pas, le vocabulaire audiovisuel. Pendant le film, j'étais la réalisatrice, donc j'avais jamais fait ça, j'avais un peu peur. Mais on m'a beaucoup aidée. Et en même temps, c'était très difficile, ça m'a énormément fatiguée, mais j'étais bien contente de le faire. On vit tous les mêmes galères, qu'on a les mêmes problèmes, etc. On a 1, 2, 3, 4 obstacles. Là, on commence vraiment à se lier d'amitié.
solidaire.
Voilà, il y a cette solidarité qui se développe.
L'interactivité entre les différents étudiants, entre guillemets, c'était très intéressant. Et comment, en fait, on s'impose ou pas. Comment la barrière de la langue a pris le dessus ou non. Si.
Storytelling in French. What's his name?
I don't know.
I don't know what I say right now. You can cut or couper. Couper.